sorry no enimu Aguase wunimu ameka kire onyame adwuma nsɛ unhunu Aguase afo tifie keka nkwase asɛm tia wo Nyankopɔn ne Kristo den ene na safo ne muka. The reason is because yenya nanke was you defend the name of the Lord, the integrity of Christ, the sanctity, the veracity, yeah, the image of God. Yeah, adopted common love. We can't love each other. We anyway come on want some ya. We the free says Guru would carry on and 1 year the baker. Yeah. Carry on come on want some ya. Quas or a crow to me who knew no esano. Akoma yen no papa. And this is the same akoma we can have a sitting member of parliament at Denya because now by Naba can leave a revolt and a violence against a government institution. No, that's what the parliament. Oh, that's what the parliament. You can have a sitting timid commanding rantier say a man in uniform. Mumbruno. Any panasore no te parliament. Yeah, bomb pioneer started government business. Something is wrong. Ghana, you don't have a conscience. Akoma na pro. I'm telling you. Akoma na pro. Said yeah, God bless our homeland Ghana. God will bless Kwayim. He will bless Kwayim. God will bless Kwayim. I'm doing this in Kakanino. One more nanke nyame. Ye one more gashenta di you know. One more de makata ni masono. And kamo mobile ye de nanke dwene se. Mu ye nyame nkrofo bia mu di jafo from na aba na mu suro nyame. No. One more crowd ye worse. Ubu a onwene ho. And the enemy bisa, what are you going to do with all that? Can I ask you a question? We Solomon Vriwa, the wealthiest man ever lived is Mansa Musa. We Solomon Jenanja. Ubieni wa wenye sika. Che Mansa Musa.